I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for June of 2025 reading. This is our monthly. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. So yun talaga kasi ang unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So, tas naisip ko, bakit hindi gumawa ng catered naman ng isang channel catered for the Filipino audience? So, kaya nagkaroon ng Timeless Tarot 111. Ayan. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Taurus, simulan na natin. Actually, I don't know kung sinasadya ba ito na parang gumagawa ng way. It could be you, it could be your person. Parang gumagawa ng way para malito yung isang tao, gumagawa ng way para din magkaroon ng away. I feel like meron dito kasi na trigger. Merong gustong malaman, gustong magkaroon ng clarity, no? Kasi madami ng questions ang tumatakbo sa isip ng tao. Chances are, with the moon card in here, pwede kasi ding shady yung mga reasons or alibis, no? Kaya, naiinis na yung tao na dapat naman kasi sinasabi mo na yung totoo, hindi ka na yung paikot-ikot, mas lalo akong napapraning, mas lalo akong madaming iniisip, no? I feel like someone here wanted to just have yung sagot, yung tanong ko ang sagutin mo, 'di ba? Yung gusto ko lang malaman, no? Parang madami ka pang sinasabi. Bakit kailangan pang i-detalye mo, no? Parang humahaba lang. Yun lang ang gusto ko malaman. Sagutin mo yung tanong ko. With the Queen of Swords in here, ito na nga yung parang triggered, cutthroat, siguro nakakarinig na ng mura or baka nagmumurahan, no? Or cursing, yeah, mura, or probably masasama ang lumalabas. Not really to a point na siguro ay nandun na nga din yung panlilibak. Siguro because of the heightened energy, no? Queen of Swords. Kasi nakakatakot na galit ang Queen of Swords. Minsan kasi ang Queen of Swords, direct lang siya. Yun lang. Kung ano lang yung gusto kong makuha, yun lang yung ibibigay. Nothing more, nothing less. So, with the moon card in here, bakit hindi pa kayang ibigay, ba't hindi masagot? With the temperance and the judgment. Uy, ang dami ditong Actually, 4 of your cards are major arcana. Isa lang yung suits, which is yung minor arcana, which is the Queen of Swords. Magician, moon card, temperance, and the judgment. I feel like napaka-heavy, no, nung nangyaring usapan. To even a point na siguro meron nagpalayas, umalis, no? There are decisions in here na parang siguro hindi naman sinasadya, pero nagawa na. So, siguro sinasabi nito, babalik pa ba ako? Na-trigger lang kasi ko, hindi ko yung sinasadya. pwede nga ito'y nakapagsalita ng hindi maganda, to the extent na lumayas, umalis, pinaalis. One thing's for sure, merong isang nagdesisyon na because of the galit, ngayon parang gusto niyang bawiin, pero nasabi na, nagawa na, paano ngayon ito babawiin? With the Eight of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, and the Page of Wands. Well, for a few numbers of you, if it's not I think na merong pang nag-reach out dito, but hindi na ito face to face. Pwedeng gumamit ng technology, internet, messengers, WhatsApp, kung ano yung ginagamit nyo, yung IG, no, whatever, text calls, yung iba sa inyo magkatrabaho pa nga. Ang mahirap kasi doon, if ever na magkatrabaho nga kayo, nagiging awkward, no, itong I think napapansin din ito ng mga kasama niyo sa trabaho, no? Yung inyong sigalot. Sinabi, hindi sinabi, kinuwento, hindi kinuwento. With the Eight of Pentacles, I feel like maayos naman ito, Knight of Swords, pero parang masyadong maaga pa. Page of Wands, feeling ko nag-ano kayo dito. Nagpapakiramdaman, no? Kasi baka meron din fear of rejections kasi pag ako yung let's say ako yung person, no, i-reach out kita Taurus dahil ang Taurus, naku, ano din to, magalit, kakaiba. So siguro kilalang kilala kanya. I think that your person is testing the waters, which means that makes sense na temperance is nandito, no. Ano na ba yung timpla, no, ng person ko? Galit pa ba? Okay na ba? Minsan babanggain ka, no? Minsan magpapakyut, tapos iirapan mo, yung ganyan. So, tingnan natin dito with the Knight of Swords. Ito nga ba yung masyadong maaga pa para magkaroon kayo ng conversation? With the Ace of Wands and the Queen of Cups. So, usually nangyayari ito sa mga in a relationship, married couple, and a third party situation. Yung intimacy, no? Meron talaga dito outside the kulambo muna. So, walang mangyayari sa ating intercourse, walang mangyayari sa ating kahit, touch lang, ayaw kitang katabi. So, either ako yung aalis ng kwarto or basta ayaw kita katabi, no? Ayaw kitang makita. Hindi naman yun necessarily hindi kita mahal, no? Ayoko lang kasing bumuka pa yung bibig ko. Marami na ako nasabi, baka mamaya mas lalong gumulo, no? With the Seven of Pentacles and the High Priestess. So, I feel like yung isa nag-aantay lang. With the High Priestess in here, alam niya, no, na kailangang timplahin, maayos yung timing. Kasi with the High Priestess in here, meron tong dalawang pillars, the good and the bad, the light and the dark, no? So, parang sinasabi dito, timplado na ba? Kasi nakakatakot din si Taurus kapag masyadong mabait. Sometimes sarcastic yung pagkabait to a point wherein that's also a sign of their galit, no? So, okay lang yung templado, mas gamay ni person yung templado kesa sa sobrang bait. Syempre mas lalo na pag sobrang galit. Nag-aantay lang naman siya. So, no rush naman din, sabi niya, kung kailan feeling mo na ready ka na makipag-usap. So, willing naman tong mag-antay. So, this is your reading for the month of June. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo, nasa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, dyan po tayo nagla-live. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section, as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin, no, ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link sa description box ng video na ito. Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pisces, Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Libra. So, yeah, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.